guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a requested look from Ronnie. He requested an olive green look. We'll get into this eye next. I hope you guys like it and stay tuned. Here I'm putting Bare all over my lid. Taking Fickle on a blending brush from Wet n Wild, I'm putting that in the crease and the inner corner and outer V of my eye. Going back and blending in with your initial transition color. Now I'm going in with Pine on a shader brush from Wet n Wild and putting that below Fickle to create dimension. Grabbing a lip brush, I am cutting the crease in the middle of the lid so I can create that halo effect. And take your time with this. Try to make things nice and neat, straight. And after you have perfected the shape, the important step is setting your concealer with powder, any powder. In this case, I am using the Coty Airspun translucent powder with a small brush, and I'm putting that over the concealer so that the concealer will not crease. Blend that and dust off excess powder, and after that I take So Glam on my finger and place that right over the translucent powder. Now you see me picking up lunch money from Colourpop and placing that over So Glam to brighten it up. Here's my face with foundation, contour, bronzer, liner, and lashes. Here I actually don't have any lipstick on, and that was because I was so excited to film the look. And this is, I think, everyone's favorite part, highlighter. This is the final product, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos. Leave suggestions, like, share, comment, and thank you so much.